Okie dokie, now we're talking about a chain for the anchor, and you have not seen the anchor yet, and we're about to sculpt an anchor, but we started with our chain. This is your typical foam insulating that you put around copper pipes for your plumbing or for your air conditioning units. You can get it at any hardware store. And usually it already comes with a slit on it. What you're going to do is you're going to come down the backside with your scissors and cut it in half. You want to approximately cut these things between 11 and 12 inches long for your chain. What you're going to do is once you cut one, you're going to take a little duct tape, have someone help you with the tape. Awesome. And then that is our first rung of our chain. And then when you get done, you're going to have a nice long chain, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go back, add a little bit of black, a little bit of orange for the rust, and that's going to be anchored to our 3D chain.
Of course, we need an awesome anchor at Shipwrecked.
So what I'm going to do is I'm cutting it out of foam. We have an anchor here. What I'm going to have Megan doing is I want to round the anchor on a 45-degree angle. So what we're going to do now is just go in there with a sanding block sander and lightly sand it somewhat smooth. And then when we get that painted and aged, that's going to look like a real anchor.